Today, we are going to talk about the artist Sofie Ramos. Sofie Ramos is an artist who was born in Cincinnati, Ohio. She currently resides in the Bay Area of California. She has had many exhibitions at galleries in both the East and West Coast. This includes New York and San Francisco. Sofie is inspired by everyday culture. She creates art from found objects, patterns, and materials and makes the familiar strange through form and color. Her bright, colorful, and patterned work is whimsical, and she pays very close attention to detail. Sofie creates many art installations. She considers the space her work will be placed, and then designs her work based around the space it's placed in. Her oversized objects explore color, texture, shape, and pattern. Her brightly colored works are eye-catching and include many elements and principles of art. Let's look at this piece. Can you identify which elements and principles of art you see in her work? Enjoy Sofie Ramos's eye-catching pieces.